Good day, children. Sairam, welcome to today's class. Today we will learn a new story in value education. Today's story is very interesting. It is about a little boy who always prayed to God, and we'll see what does his father do and what happens at the end. So, let's begin. Today we are going to learn a story about Bhakt Prahalad. Okay, it is lesson number 3 in your VE book, Bhakt Prahalad. Let's begin the story. Hiranyakasipu was a great Asura king. He was evil minded and hated God. Hiranyakasipu was an Asura king. Asura means a demon king. He was a Rakshasa king. Okay, he was evil minded. He was not a good king. He always hated God. Prahlad was his young son. Unlike his father, he loved God, Lord Vishnu, and worshipped him. Prahlad was Hiranyakasipu's son. Hiranyakasipu did not like God, he did not love God, he hated God. But Prahlad, he loved God very much. He loved Lord Vishnu and he worshipped him all the time. Hiranyakasipu put him to study in Gurukul. Here, his teacher taught him to hate God and chant the name of his father. Now, Hiranyakasipu, he did not like Prahlad chanting God's name, chanting Lord Vishnu's name. So, what did Hiranyakasipu do? He sent him to the Gurukul to study. Gurukul were the schools in olden days. Yes, they were in the forest, ashrams. Yes, and there were teachers who taught the children, and they were called Guruji. Okay, so there the teachers, they taught him to hate God. They taught him to hate God, and they told Prahlad not to chant Lord Vishnu's name, and they kept on telling him to chant his father's name, Hiranyakashipu's name. After some time, after few months, when Prahlad he returned to the palace, then Hiranyakashipu asked him, "You have been with your guru for a long time. What have you learned?" He asked Prahlad. "You have been in the Gurukul for a long time. You have been with the guru for the long time. Then what have you learned?" Then what did Prahlad answer? "I have learned to worship Lord Vishnu." He said the same thing, that he learned more to worship Lord Vishnu. Now Hiranyakasipu was very angry. He was very furious. "Who taught you such things?" he said. "Take him away. This boy must not live." So he was very angry and he told his soldiers, "Take him away. This boy must not live." Then what did his father do? Hiranyakasipu, what did he do? He threw Prahlad into the sea. Yes, he was thrown into the sea by his father, but nothing happened to him. Hiranyakasipu threw Prahlad into the sea. Now in the sea there are some sharks, and they can eat us also, they can harm us also, we can get drowned and we can die also. But nothing happened to Prahlad. Okay, then what did Hiranyakasipu do? He rolled Prahlad down the mountain. He was rolled down the mountain, but he fell into the in a bed of flowers and was saved. Hiranyakasipu rolled Prahlad down the mountain, but what happened? Prahlad fell into a bed of flowers and he was saved. Then, when Prahlad was chanting Lord Vishnu's name, poisonous snakes were sent towards him. So many poisonous snakes were sent towards him, but the snakes did not harm him at all. Hiranyakasipu's sister Holika had a boon that she will not get burnt in fire. Now, Hiranyakasipu had a sister. Her name was Holika, and she had a boon that even if she will be sitting in the fire, if her body catches fire or something happens, she will not get burned. So, what did Hiranyakasipu do? He ordered his sister. She was ordered by Asura king to burn Prahlad by keeping him on her lap. So what did Hiranyakasipu tell her? You take Prahlad on your lap and sit on the fire. Holika had a boon, nothing would happen to her, okay, and Prahlad would get burned, right? But not a hair of Prahlad got burned, okay, not a hair of Prahlad got burned, but instead Holika was completely burned, okay. The boon she had did not work. Prahlada was safe and Holika was burnt in the fire. You wicked one, why don't you die? What is the source of your power? Now Hiranyakasipu was very, very, very angry. So he started telling Prahlad, you wicked one, why don't you die? What is the source of your power? Now, when he was thrown in the sea, nothing happened to him. When he was rolled down the mountains, nothing happened to him. When snakes were sent towards him, the snakes did not harm him. Holika had a boon that she will not get burnt in fire, but then too she got burnt in the fire and Prahlada was safe. So Hiranyakasipu was very surprised that so many things I'm doing to kill him, but nothing is happening to him. So what is the source of his power? So what does Prahlad tell his father? Oh father, it is Lord Vishnu. He is the source, not only for my power, but also yours. He is present everywhere. As we have learned that God is everywhere and in everything. Yes. So same thing Prahlad tells his father, that Lord Vishnu is the source of my power. And he is not only the source of my power, he is also the source of your power. And he is the source of power for everyone. Why? Because God is present everywhere and in everything. So Hiranyakasipu was more angry. Then, is he in this pillar? Can you see this pillar? Yes, this is the pillar. Okay. So Hiranyakasipu is asking Prahlada, is he in this pillar? If you are saying that God is everywhere, then is he in this pillar? Saying so, Hiranyakasipu kicked the pillar with his might. With full power, he kicked this pillar. Then what happened? Lord Vishnu, in the form of Narsimha, in the form of a lion head, okay, he emerged from the pillar. He stepped out of the pillar. He caught hold of Hiranyakasipu and he placed Hiranyakasipu on his lap and he tore open his belly. and Hiranyakasipu died. Narsimha is the lion god, the form of Vishnu. So he placed Hiranyakasipu on his lap. Now, with his powerful hands, he tore apart his belly. He tore open his belly, and Hiranyakasipu died. Then God Vishnu blessed Prahalad for the firm faith in him. You should have trust in God, you should have faith in God. And Lord Vishnu appeared in front of Prahalad and he blessed Prahalad. Now, what is the moral of the story? Firm faith in God can work miracles. Yes, you should have faith in God. God is everywhere in everything. So, you pray to God from anywhere, God is going to listen to you. And you should have firm faith in God, right? And God can work miracles. Now, Pujanya Sri Tarama says, for God, his devotee is so lovable that he can do anything for him. He can even change night into day. Okay, Srima says, for God, his devotee is lovable. All his devotees, whoever is praying to God, God loves everyone. All are lovable, and he can do anything for his devotees. God can do anything for all those who pray to him, all the devotees. He can change even night into day. So you should have firm faith in God, and God will always help you get, and God can work miracles. God can do miracles. Now, let us do the textual questions. Question 1. Who was Hiranyakasipu? Who was Hiranyakasipu? Hiranyakasipu was a great Asura king. Hiranyakasipu was a great Asura king. Who was his young son? Prahalad was his young son. Who was his young son? Prahalad was his young son. Question 3. Whom did Prahalad worship? Whom did Prahalad worship? Prahalad worshipped Lord Vishnu. Prahalad worshipped Lord Vishnu. What was Prahalad taught in the Gurukul? What was Prahalad taught in the Gurukul? In the Gurukul, Prahalad was taught to hate God. In the Gurukul, Prahalad was taught to hate God and chant the name of his father Hiranyakasipu. And chant the name of his father Hiranyakashipu. Who was Hiranyakashipu's sister? Who was Hiranyakashipu's sister? Holika was Hiranyakashipu's sister. Holika was Hiranyakashipu's sister. What boon was Holika gifted with? What boon was Holika gifted with? Holika was gifted with a boon that she will not get burnt in the fire. Holika was gifted with a boon that she will not get burnt in the fire. Who came out of the pillar? When Hiranyakasipu kicked the pillar, who came out of the pillar? Lord Vishnu in the form of Narsimha came out of the pillar. Lord Vishnu in the form of Narsimha came out of the pillar. How was Hiranyakasipu killed? How was Hiranyakasipu killed? Lord Narsimha placed Hiranyakashipu on his lap and tore open his belly. This is how Hiranyakasipu was killed. Lord Narsimha placed Hiranyakashipu on his lap and tore open his belly. This is how Hiranyakashipu was killed. Now, activity time. Find the names in the puzzle. Draw a line around them as you go along. Now, there are some words given. We have to find these words in the puzzle. And what are the words? Church, mosque, temple, gurudwara, ashram. Now, we will search the words in the puzzle and draw a line around it. Okay, let's start. Okay. Let us find out Gurudwara. Can you see where is Gurudwara? Okay, here it is. Gurudwara. Next, can you see church? Where is it? Can you find out church? Where is it? Church is here. CHURCH. Church. Yes? Now, next word. Ashram. Can you see? Ashram is here. Okay? Now, next, mosque. Mosque is here. Okay, Gurudwara, church, mosque, ashram. One more, temple. Where is it? Can you find out? Okay. Now I'll have to close this pen icon. Temple is down here in the corner. Can you see? TEMPLE in the last corner. If I'll see here, T, it is starting here. Okay. And if I move this icon, it is continuing PLE, temple. Okay, children? Next. Activity 2 is, it is wonderful to do your bit to spread joy and comfort whenever you can. Okay. You should always try to spread joy and comfort whenever it is possible. This way we can make the world a better place to live. Yes, we can make the world a better place to live. Think of ways to help people who are in need. Think of ways to help people who are in need. Filling the lines given in the bunch of leaves. Now see, this is the tree. Okay, one is done for you. Give good clothes to the poor. And there are some lines in the bunches of leaves. Now you try to write on your own. How will you try to comfort others by doing little bit of things from your side? You can draw this tree in your rough book and write it. Okay, children, do this activity. Okay, we will learn a new story in the next class. Keep learning the shlokas what you have done in the first class and keep chanting God's name. That's all for today. Goodbye. Sai Ram. Thank you.